Hello, it's Glamstract here. Another video, another foundation review. And today's foundation is the Bare Look Tint by Yves Saint Laurent, the new line. And the shade that I've picked for myself is number 5. This is what the tint looks like outside of its packaging. It is quite cute, I think quite sleek, quite modern. And this claimed to be a skincare slash makeup hybrid skin tint, enriched with 90% of skincare, and is a mix between hyaluronic acid and marshmallow. This is probably the first time that I form an opinion so fast about a product. This is only my second time using this, and I am completely in love. And I just thought I want to come here and show you straight away because it is such a beautiful skin tint. It just feels so light on the skin. This is a true makeup, no makeup look. Summertime, it feels watery and hydrating, truly so beautiful and perfect for a makeup, no makeup look. As you can see, I'm really going through it at the moment, and that's also the reason why I haven't filmed for quite a while, because of my spots that I have. These are calmed down now. These are all old scars that are slowly healing. This is a brand new one. But there is something at the moment that is causing it. It happens from time to time that my skin just needs to break out. I don't know why. It only happens like once a month or once every 2 months that my skin really goes through this, but it happens. Just one more thing and then we're gonna go to apply this. My brows are already done. As you can see, they're slightly darker than usual, and I'm using a new product which I totally regret buying. I'm talking about the Refy Brow Sculpt. This little guy over here. This is £16 and it's not worth not even a penny because it just doesn't work and it doesn't do what it claims to do. At least in my experience. I applied this. First of all, it was all flaking up. Literally white pieces of glue were like peeling off. It looks like I had dandruff in my eyebrows. Another thing was that it's not holding up. They're not holding up. Look, where is the hold? When you see the model doing that whole thing and they're all standing straight up, like, why is that not happening to me? And I do have quite fluffy, bushy brows. They're not that thin, but it's not doing anything to my brows. So it's not holding, it's flaking up, and it's very, very sticky. I mean, I can understand it's sort of gluey, but the feel of sticky, not great. Plus, I went over with a pencil, and because my eyebrows felt so hard and sticky at some point, the pencil broke. And I was like, I just wasted a little piece of pencil, and we all know how much little product we get into these tiny pencils. And I was like, oh, come on. Total no, total pass. I tried it for 2 days in a row. First day, I watched a tutorial of the actual owner, Refy, and I did what she said. Then the evening, I said, okay, let me just DM the brand. The brand kindly sent me like an instructions of how to apply it, which was basically what I did. But I said, okay, let me follow the instruction once again. And the day after I tried, the exact same result. Today is my 3rd day trying this, and no, it's just not working for me. I don't think Selfridges would do returns when the product is already open, which is a big shame because I really don't like this product. And I mean, Refy can't do much because I didn't purchase from their website. But if you guys are thinking to buy this, which by the way is being promoted on Instagram so much, and I think they shouldn't. They should stop promoting themselves so much because it's not doing anything for the brows. It's just making them look worse. I'm not saying don't go ahead because you need to form probably your own opinion, but for experience, I'm talking, this is not good. I'm sorry. We are here for the new Yves Saint Laurent Bare Looking Tint. Let's just apply it. It has no SPF and it comes in this is my favorite format, this squeezy tube that is a tint. I like to use my fingers for this. I literally, as I showed you in my previous video, there is no scent. It's just like a very faded clean scent, but no, nothing. I just put it here and I literally just massage it into the skin. First I swipe and then I start to tap it onto my skin. If you see me looking straight, it's because I have a mirror right in front of me. And number 5 is just a perfect shade. I mean, at the counter we did try number 3 and I believe it was number either 7 or 8 as well, and also looked pretty good, but I think we landed on number 5 because it was the most neutral out of all of them. This is bottom half. This is just like one application that I've done, and look at this. It is so absolutely natural. It's so beautiful. Of course, you can still pick through the redness around my nose. You can still pick through a little bit of my gray zone around the eyes, and some blemishes, but that is the beauty of this product, is that you're really still showing through your skin, but just giving that extra oomph that it needs. Just doing the forehead. Oh, and by the way, I have my usual skincare down, and also prepped and primed my skin with my absolute love, the Vitamin Enriched Face Base, just in case you wonder. This is first application all over my face. It looks just so good, but I am going to squeeze out just a tiny little bit more, and I'm gonna do a little bit more here and a little bit on my forehead, just because I just want just a tiny little bit more of a tint. Here you go. So this is Tinted Moisturizer applied, and I absolutely love it. It is so natural. It gives you like such a nice natural glow to the skin. It feels like literally water on the skin. Is so refreshing and it's so beautiful. Sorry, my eyebrows are flaking up. I cannot stand it. But if I zoom you in, you can truly see how natural and glowy and beautiful just this skin tint is. I did test it for approximately 8 hours, just normal work shift, and it did last all day very well. But I didn't just wear it by itself. I did go ahead and apply some concealer and some powder as well, just to blot it down. I usually always like to apply a little bit of powder. So I'm gonna go very quickly off camera and apply the rest of my face, and I'll be back for some final thoughts. And I'm back. So this is the final look as per usual. My clean looking skin. As you can see, it looks like I'm wearing a little bit more makeup right now because I did go ahead and apply some concealer on my under eye, and just to cover up the extra blemishes that was still peeking through. So, but overall, a little bit of powder, a bit of blush. That's all I've done really. Excuse my eyebrows because I think the more I was applying makeup, the whiter and flaky they were getting. So I feel like this one is not as white. This one is, it's just disgusting. Anyway, the skin tint, so good. I think YSL really nailed it on this new collection. It's such a natural looking, gorgeous skin, healthy looking. It is so good, so good. Totally worth it. Worth it any penny. I paid it £27, I believe. And yeah, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. But also, if you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs up as well, because why not? Let's spread the love. And while you're here on my YouTube channel, why don't you just go ahead and subscribe down here, and also head over to my Instagram, where you can also follow me there at Glamstract, if you want, of course. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye.